In a 4-2 vote, independent city council members voted against a resolution that would have required masks indoors and outdoors at large community events. KCTV5's Emily Rittman was inside City Hall for tonight's public comment and vote. Emily?
Brad, a large crowd filled city council chambers. City staff opened an overflow room to make room for anybody who wanted to attend the meeting in person.
Mr. City Manager, if I have to gavel this council chambers again, I'm going to ask everybody but the speakers to be removed.
Tonight, Independence community members spoke in support of or against a mask mandate in the city.
We do not have herd immunity and our citizens are suffering needlessly. We want you to make the right decision, not the easy decision.
I represent the people in Independence who do not want the government enforcing mandates on their businesses or their families.
An acceptance of reality and listening to the experts should be all that is needed. This virus does not care if you're tired and want the state of emergency to end.
Our freedoms have constantly been eroded in our nation and our communities over the past year and a half. We originally started with 2 weeks to flatten the curve, and we have given up more and more freedoms in the name of safety.
You've been presented with information, data, and a recommendation by the city's own Advisory Board of Health that clearly articulates that masks work.
The people of Independence are tired. Yes, we're tired of the pandemic. Yes, we're tired of hearing that yet again a loved one or someone else has come down with COVID. But when it comes down to it, where are we going to draw the line?
If you're not voting tonight to follow the guidance and recommendations of the CDC and the newly established health department, you are voting based on politics. Stuart?
No.
4 council members voted against the resolution that would have required masks.
I believe COVID is real. I believe it's dangerous. I have been vaccinated, and that was a choice that I made. I've heard that word a lot tonight, choice.
Mayor Ware? Yes.
Mayor Eileen Ware and Councilmember Dan Hobart voted to support passing the mask resolution. Some community members left the meeting visually upset by the vote. Others were relieved.
I think that it was fair. I think it's just. I think that our Constitution allows us to have a choice. If anybody wants to wear a mask, I'm not going to denigrate them. If anybody chooses not to wear a mask, I'm not going to denigrate them.
The Independence Advisory Board of Health previously wrote a motion in support of the public health order, saying that mask wearing is a necessary response to the pandemic. If the public order had passed, it would have been in place for 30 days. Reporting live, Emily Rittman, KCTV5 News.
Thanks, Emily.